So, guys, in today's video of the machine learning, I'm telling you about the machine learning terminology. So, yeah, we are learning about that. So, please hit the like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell. So, now let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about the water terminology in machine learning. So let's do a coding learning. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the terminology. So let's start and let's know about that. So but first of all, let me do one thing and now let's know about in machine learning what are terminology. So let's start. Now relationships, labels, features. Machine learning relationships. Machine learning system uses relationships between inputs to produce predictions. Okay. Now, in algebra, a relationship is often written as y equals to ax plus b. Y is the label we want to predict, a is the slope of the line, x are the input values, b is the intercept. With ML, our relationship is written as y equals to p plus wx. Y is the label we want to predict, w is the weight, the slope, x are the features, input values, and the b is the intercept. Machine learning labels. In machine learning terminology, the label is the thing we want to predict. It is like the y in a linear graph like algebra machine learning. This one algebra like y equals to ax plus b, and in the machine learning y equals to p plus wx. Okay, like that. Machine learning features. In machine learning terminology, the features are the input. They are like the x values in a linear graph. Algebra like y equals to ax plus b. Machine learning y equals to p plus wx. Sometimes there can be many features, input values with different weights. Okay, like y equals to p plus w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 plus w4 x4. Machine learning models, machine learning training, machine learning inference, machine learning phases, machine learning models. A model defines the relationship between the label y and the features x. There are three phases in the life of a model: data collection, training, inference, machine learning training. What are machine learning training? The goal of training is to create a model that can answer a question like what is the expected price for a house. Machine learning inference. Inference is when the trained model is used to infer, predict values using live data like putting the model into production. Machine learning phases. Machine learning has two main phases: training and inference. Training: input data are used to calculate the parameters of the model, and inference: the trained model outputs correct data from any input. Supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, self-supervised machine learning. So first of all, let's know about what is supervised learning. Supervised machine learning uses a set of input variables to predict the value of an output variable. Okay. Supervised learning uses labeled data with no answers to train algorithms to classify data, predict outcomes. Okay. Supervised learning can classify data like what is spam in an email based on no spam examples. Supervised learning can predict outcomes like predicting what kind of video you like based on the on the videos you have played. Okay, now unsupervised learning. Unsupervised machine learning uses patterns from any unlabeled dataset, trying to understand and patterns or groupings in the data. Unsupervised learning is used to predict undefined relationships like meaningful patterns in data. It is about creating computer algorithms that can improve themselves. It is expected that machine learning will shift to unsupervised learning to allow programmers to solve problems without creating models. Okay. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is based on non-supervised learning but receives feedback from the user whether the decision is good or bad. The feedback contributes to improving the model. Okay. Self-supervised learning. Self-supervised learning is similar to unsupervised learning because it works with data without human added labels. The difference is that unsupervised learning uses clustering, grouping, and dimensionality reduction, while self-supervised learning draw its own conclusions for regression and classification to tasks. Okay, so like that you can do it. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about what are in machine learning, what are terminology. You must know these things, and I know in this video there are all the explanation because in the machine learning there are the explanation coding are very few. Okay, but in today's video we cover about the relationships, labels, and features in the machine learning. But our main topic is what are terminology. You must know what are terminology in machine learning if you are starting a machine learning, and if you are mastering in machine learning, you must know what a terminology. Okay, so I appreciate your support through, and and I genuinely appreciate your work, and if you appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the codewithpk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I hope you can enjoy this class, and you must know what are terminology. If you are mastering in the machine learning, you must know what are terminology. Okay, and if you don't know, so please repeat that video again and see that video again, and algebra it look like that, and the machine learning it look like that. Okay, so you must know what are machine learning what are terminology. Please, you must know that. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to all the notification bell. Okay, so now I meet you in the next class, in the next very amazing class, and these type of videos has been come daily. And please tell me, our Python DSA course has been finished, so what type of course we have been uploaded it from now. So please tell me in the comment section below, and I post on my community, and please vote it which type of course I will be uploaded on my channel now. So now for today, goodbye.